How to become Twitch affiliate. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To become a Twitch affiliate, you need to complete 4 main requirements within a 30-day period. Reach 25 followers, stream for at least 4 hours, stream on 4 different days, and maintain an average of 3 viewers across any 4 of those stream days. These goals may seem small, but consistency and strategy are key. Start by building your channel's appearance with a good profile picture, banner, overlays, and a clear, engaging bio. Then, plan your streaming schedule. Spread your streams across at least 4 days, and make sure your total stream time adds up to at least 4 hours. Choose games or topics that are less saturated, but still popular enough to attract new viewers. Ask friends or promote your stream on social media to help you reach the 3 viewer average. Even if chat is quiet, keep talking and stay energetic. This helps build your on-screen presence. Once all 4 goals are completed, Twitch will automatically invite you to join the affiliate program through email and platform notifications.